Hello everyone, it's Monty with the polka dot pine cone. I thought I'd bring you a short video today to show you another one of my new toys I've been playing with and show you what you can do with it. It is the We Are Memory Keepers tag punch. Real fun little tool to make tags that can range from 1 inch, you can do 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. And it does this cute little, it folds over and then has like a little piece that fits up inside the part that folds over. So it has a score line, it shows you where to fold it at, and then the holes are already punched and you just kind of insert it into the little hole there. So kind of fun. I punched out a bunch of different sizes. This one is the 1 inch. And then this one is a 1.5 inch width, and then this one is the 2 inch. Now you can make them however long you want them. So you can have real long tags or real short tags like this. And it's kind of fun. You can put some baker's twine through it for a something to attach it to, like a gift or a bag or something. I attached this one with some baker's twine. This one I used a tiny little bit of tulle just for something cute to tie onto it, and I made this a real short one. And I took my corner punch also and kind of rounded the corners on that one, so you can leave them square or you can round them off. This one up here I tied just some regular twine on, and then this one over here I tied a little bit of polka dot ribbon on. So all kind, possibilities are endless. Also, at the bottom of this one, I took one of my edge punches, one of my old punches that I have, and kind of, just put some scallop on the edge. This one I used like the notebook paper punch to make that on that edge. And some of them I just left straight. Some of them I ended, rounded the corners a little bit. This one I rounded the corners with a little bit of a scallop edge. So it works real neat if you have double-sided paper, because then, of course, the one side shows and then the opposite side color shows a little bit on the top. So that's kind of fun. This is a double-sided, just plain cardstock paper, but so it makes it really stand out nicely. So anyway, that's what this new punch does. It's pretty fun. Like I say, I used a couple of my older border punches to decorate the edges a little bit. And that's about it. So just kind of wanted to give you a little peek at that tool. It's real handy, real nice, and it's nice because you can make any length that you want, and then you can make the width 1 inch, 1.5 inches, or 2 inches. So, and then I should give you a peek at how this works. You just this little piece comes off, or comes back, flips back, and that. So when you first pull it out, after you punch it, this is how it comes out. It has a score line right there, and that's where you score it. And then you just pull this forward, stick that down there, and then this fits up inside there. So really, really cute tag, and gives it kind of a little bit of reinforcement up there, so when you tie it onto a package or a bag or something, it has a little bit more sturdiness to it. So anyway, I hope you liked this. I hope it was helpful. You can follow me on my blog and on YouTube, both at the Polka Dot Pine Cone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.